Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I guess I'm going to be showing how to download the Minecraft Forge for the Minecraft Mods Camp. And yeah, so first go to this link. It should be in the Google Doc accompanying, or the document accompanying this video. There's yeah, this is a website. There's ads and stuff. And yeah, so you're going to be on files.minecraft.forge.net, and you will see, if you just go to this page, it'll say download latest for 1.16.5 and download recommended. Click installer on download recommended. It's going to pop up with an advertisement, but right here, it'll say, like, please wait 3 seconds, please wait 2 seconds. Then it's like skip. Click on skip. And you'll see it's going to start downloading this jar file right here. It's going to say this, and it says keep or discard to say keep. That'll finish downloading. Great. And then, so let's see. Yeah, so click skip there. Do that. It'll ask you to save this jar file. Now, let's see. So if you just click on this, click on the file, and it'll launch once it's done installing. Yeah, so click on it, open. It's going to say install. It's going to have all these options: install client, install server, install, and extract. Make sure you remember where this place is, because this is going to be how you'll access this folder later on, which you'll need to do for some of the camps. So click on this, install client, hit OK, and you're going to see it's just going to start downloading. It's going to say remapping, finishing up, building processors. And yeah, so that will have it run. And then, yeah, Minecraft Forge has been installed. So now all you'll have to do for some of the other camps is, let me pull up my Minecraft launcher. Alrighty. Let me go back here. There we go. So yeah, Minecraft's opening up. You can see it right here. We have this Minecraft launcher. And then select down here. You should see a version for Minecraft Forge. Yeah, so yeah, click on this for Minecraft Forge. And then this will be how you'll actually play Minecraft Forge. And yeah, thing will be to download. So for the Minecraft Forge camp, which this video is for, there's 2 more things you'll have to download. So I'm going to show the links to them. So first we're going to go back to that Minecraft Forge link I was showing off earlier. And you can see we have installer, and then right next to here for recommended is this thing called the MDK. Now we're going to click on the MDK. It's going to do this. It's going to say create Forge server. Once again, wait. And yeah, so it's going to say wait. We're going to click skip. It's going to have this forge.zip show up. You double click on that. It's going to pop up WinRAR. And you should see we'll have all of this stuff. So the next thing to set up is, all right, so now this is just for, so if you've installed that, once you've installed the MDK file, you should have this Minecraft. So make a folder just in documents, for example, call it Minecraft mods. Now you should have this, your zip that you got, and just extract all, or extract, yeah, so extract all of this, the MDK that you downloaded, into the folder. There you go, just like that. And now the next thing, the final thing you have, or there's 2 more things left to download. This is the next link. Let me pull up. So yeah, just have that set there, and this will be where the student will actually make the mod. It will be within that file. The next thing is you're going to go to this link, which should also be in the accompanying document. Adopt OpenJDK. It's going to ask for Windows 64. You're going to select JDK 8 and hotspot, and then it'll say latest release. Click on that. That is going to run. And then while that's running, we can download and start downloading the last thing. And this will be the IDE or the code editor that the student will actually use to program the Minecraft mod. And it's IntelliJ IDEA. And we're going to get the community edition for this. So just click download here. Just like that, it's going to say thank you for downloading IntelliJ IDEA. And there we go. So that's going to download. Once this downloads, now that OpenJDK is downloaded, it's going to say welcome to the adopted OpenJDK. We're going to click next. And so if you haven't installed it yet, if you click install, it's just going to make you walk through it. And then by that point, I've already have it installed on my computer. If I wanted to remove it, or let's see, I could do change. So yeah, it'll pop up with something like this. It'll say which features do you want to be installed. It's going to say JDK. Just leave everything on default. Just click next. And then it'll hit change. And then, or for you, it'll say install. Begin the installation that way. And then there you go. But I'm going to cancel that because I already have it installed. And then it'll say finish. And then afterwards it'll say finish. And there we go. Now all that's left is for the IntelliJ to actually wait for this to download, which it will be downloaded any second now. Click that. So yeah, if we click this, it's going to open this IntelliJ file. It's going to ask to download this. It's going to say, do you wish to continue? So yes, for you, we won't say that because you haven't installed. And it's going to say, welcome to the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup. It'll say next, hit to continue. Select, so first, for me, I would have to uninstall it. So I will do that here. And so then this will be, yeah, so this will be to uninstall it. So for me, so yeah, this is to install it. So it's going to ask you where you want to install it. For example, I'm doing there. I'm clicking next. For my installation options, I'm just going to, this is optional. I'm going to do 64-bit launcher and create an associate for .java. And maybe, yeah, but that'll be it. I'm going to hit next. And then there's all this sort of stuff. I'm going to call it JetBrains. And then there we go. It's going to extract and install. And if you are doing just the camp for the Forge, that'll be the basics of it. There's going to be some other setup stuff required to do afterwards with actually getting it to work, but that'll be with the students, and that'll be because it'll be a little bit different for every case. So it's not that complex at all, but it'll just depend on where they installed it. So I can't really show that off in a video. So yeah, that is it for the Minecraft Forge mod camp. So if you're signed up for that camp, you don't need to continue watching. The next part will be for the Computer Craft camp. Let me pull that up. Computer Craft. So now that you've installed, for the people who are doing the Computer Craft camp, once they've installed the Minecraft Forge, so they don't need to install the stuff we just did. For the Minecraft Computer Craft camp, you're going to go to the CurseForge link here. It's going to be called CC Tweaked. And it'll say Tweaked here. And what you're going to do is, so just like how we installed this version of Minecraft Forge, 1.16.5, 13.0, we're going to click and we're going to download the latest release, not the beta. So we're going to click on this. It's going to say your download will begin in a certain amount of seconds. Downloading now, and we'll see this will download. We're going to say keep. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to let me see if I can transition this. Wait, so let me open up. If you just type in run into your computer, into your search bar, this will show up. It'll say run and give you a little open thing. I'm gonna do, wait. So now that you've installed that Java file, you're gonna want to actually access your Minecraft folder. In this case, it's .minecraft. You can do this by just typing %appdata% on your search bar here, and that should open up Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to have Minecraft. You should see a folder called mods. Yours is going to be empty. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to drag that jar file here. And now if you boot up that, if you go back and we click on Minecraft and we make sure we select Minecraft Forge, if we run it and install it, or if we run it and play it, let's see, it is preparing. So yeah, it'll take a little bit the first time it's been set up, but after that, it should be a pretty smooth installation. And yeah, so give it a second. It's booting up now. So this will be how it looks when it's with Forge. It's gonna say your memory you have allocated to it. It's talking how it's loading into Minecraft Forge. It should not take very long at all, but it will have this red screen, so don't worry about that. And then you'll see the familiar Mojang Studios will show up. It'll say Atlas Stitching and all that sort of stuff. And then it's going to, oh wait, so that's an error on mine because of, so yeah, I'm going to cut back to, if you won't get that error, I'm only doing that error because I only got that error because I had mods installed. All right, cool. So now that we have this, we have Minecraft Java Edition, and if you do single player, create new world, you can call it anything. I'll be just showcasing off it. So if you click create new world, have that running, you'll see that it's going to start generating the terrain. And it might take a little longer than normal because ComputerCraft is being installed, but give it a second and you'll see that ComputerCraft will be running. You'll say joining world. There we go. We have this, and you'll be able to check if there's ComputerCraft because I'm clicking on the creative mode menu. Right there, we have ComputerCraft, advanced computer, and so this is all the stuff for the mod. So yeah, you can click on this, place this down, and then yeah, so that's all that's needed for the camp. And yeah, thank you for installing and following along.